In this video, we will show you how to replace your front outside mirror on this Jeep Patriot. This will be mounted to your front door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the door open, we're going to be making our way along the forward corner of the door panel. In this area, just above the door panel, you're going to find that you have a plastic cover. I'm using a plastic trim tool to remove this. It should just pop right out of place. Just a couple locking tabs there. Now that's going to expose two pieces of mounting hardware. There's one up here out in the open. The next one's just down in here. It's not very far down, approximately right about there. Aside from that, we will have a third piece of hardware out in this area just behind our rubber seal. To gain access to this lower one, you can remove this side panel. For that, I'm just reaching inside and pulling it out of place. Now we can gain access straight through this port. Let's start with the forward piece of mounting hardware. For this, we're just going to take hold of the rubber seal. We'll give it a little tug. We're using an 8mm for each one of our mounting nuts. Pull that one out of place. A quick inspection of the hardware as we continue. Replace as necessary. We'll continue on to the next two. Now for the last one, I'll make sure I'm holding onto the mirror so we can finish removing the last piece of mounting hardware. Remove the mirror from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Let's clean and inspect the mounting surface. I'm using glass cleaner on a clean rag. Just make sure nothing's rotted or weak. Now it's time to install our brand new mirror. We'll get this in position, aligning all three of our mounting studs with their corresponding ports on the door itself. Press it in until it's completely flush. We'll make our way inside the door for the three mounting nuts. I like to start with the mounting nut that's easiest to gain access to, and we'll continue on to the other two. Let's get this next one on here. Make sure that that's secure. When tightening the mounting nuts, let's go till they're bottomed out and then turn them an additional quarter turn. Double check to make sure that's secure. Now it's time for our protective panels. Line them up, press them in. Let's align those locking tabs. Okay, friend, we finished our installation. The next thing we need to do is set it to your preferences. You should be able to take hold of the mirror itself and angle it as needed. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.